Hello, I'm Han, and today I'll be representing Gaming Freak to tell you about a product that we have in our lineup today. It is in the X Gaming series of gaming mouse, and this is one of them. It's called the X15. So let's take a look inside, shall we? Okay, here we go. Pretty nice, very nice packaging. So first impression of this mouse is that it has braided cable, which is very nice, and apparently it came with this cable tie, which is very good, especially if you're a student or a person who travels a lot and like to carry mouse, because it makes wire management a lot easier. So a key feature that this mouse and all the X Gaming series mouse from Gaming Freak actually is the mute button feature. So what it is it's not a button to mute your computer, it doesn't mute the voice, but what it is that the clicks on this mouse and all the X series gaming mouse from Gaming Freak is that they're silent. Which is very interesting, because I can see that there's a lot of people who actually like this because say for example you're a student and suddenly you have an urge to like have a round of gaming during your lunch break or something. You can go to the library and have a game and you won't disturb the people around you because it's silent. Or if for example you're on a plane and trying to do some work, and yeah, the mute button I think is a very great feature in all the X series mouse. So the X series X15 Gaming Freak mouse comes with 6 buttons, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. There's 2 extra size buttons here. In normal Windows function, they serve as a forward and a back button. But it's really good for gamers because you can keybind it here for some shortcut keys that a lot of gamers like to use as well. And here's a DPI button so that you can choose from a variety range of DPIs. It ranges from 800 all the way up to 3000. And because it ranges to 3000, it means that this is actually using a laser sensor technology and not optical, which means that it's a lot more accurate, which is very good for real-time strategy or FPS players if you're one of them. I really like how this mouse feels because I think it comes with metal built-in inside, so it has a really nice weight to it, and I can feel that this mouse can take a lot of punishment when you're using it for gaming, and it's rated up to 5 million clicks for a lifetime. So yeah, I would say that this mouse can last you a very long time if you're interested. So all of the X series gaming mouse from Gaming Freak comes with LED lights as well, and all the LED effects from the illuminated effects is very cool and very distinct from each other, so they all have their own personality. And I think for this price range, it's a really cool thing to have, because usually if you want very nice illumination effect on mouse, you usually have to go to a lot of a higher end one, and yeah, it's really cool to have seeing at this price range. So overall, the Gaming Freak X15 mouse is a really nice budget option gaming mouse for everyone who likes to game but likes to keep their clicking noises to a minimal and avoid disturbance to other people. So yeah, I would really recommend this mouse for those who are interested. Yeah, that will be all for today. This is Han, and with Gaming Freak, I hope that you enjoyed this video. Goodbye!